Mona Hershey here from Belvoir Stoke. I'm in Sneed Green outside a 3-bedroom semi-detached property. I came for evaluation, and rather than list the property on the market, I was able to match it to a buyer on my database. I knew the exact family who would love to buy this property, and we were able to arrange one viewing and sold it to them really close to asking price, that it wasn't worth the hassle for the family to list it, have photographs, and to go through all the viewings. So we're really happy for everyone, and they're happy too. So if you have a house in Sneed Green and you're looking to sell, please give me a ring at Belvoir Stoke at 01782 478 444. I'll come down, do a sales appraisal, and give you the best advice on how to sell the property. People love to move to this area for the schools such as the Excel Academy, as well as just for the spacious homes that you have here.